What's going on, everybody? Welcome to Always Occupied. Right here we have our solar powered fountain pump, and the reason why I got this one is because it's cheap, and my other one, time has run up on it. Okay, so right here we have this AISITIN 2.5 watt fountain pump. Comes with a hose. This is a plus for me because I'm gonna use it with my bamboo accent. And this is 4 foot for what they were saying on the description. So I'll get to this later. Alright, and here we have the pump. And then we have the little solar panel. It's a skinny one. I actually hear the pump going off right now as we speak. So we unwrap this, and the wire is long on this. Okay, so this seems about 6 foot. Let me see. Yeah. All right. One of the. Okay, so they give you an extra suction cup. So the suction cup is only on 2 sides. All right. Then you get all the goodies that comes in every fountain pump. So again, this is the AISITIN 2.5 watts. Alright, so we can stick that here, and then you should be able to stick this here, and then this goes on top. And then if you want to do your little fountain feature, there you go with that. Alright. If not, they gave you the hoses. So if you want to do like waterfall, or put it in your bamboo accent in your backyard, something nice. I hate shrink wrap. Left my knife on the inside of the house. Alright. So this is going to help me out a lot because I'm going to have the bamboo in the basin. That's why, main reason why I got this is because it's cheap and it comes with the hoses. So this is perfect. So yeah, this is about 4 foot. This right here is about 4 foot of hose. Right here. Okay. Alright, right here we have the instruction. Alright, so here are the specifications. Now it tells you the life of these fountains. Okay, so the fountain lifetime is 10,000 hours. Alright, it says the pump will automatically restart within 3 seconds when sunlight recovery. Alright, working hours, it says during sunny days. So I do not know, well, it's kind of shady right now, and I could actually hear the pump. So I guess it works in sun and shade. Anything else y'all need to know, just let me know. Alright, it says features. Alright, nozzles. You get 6 different nozzles. Alright, it don't really tell you how long the wire is, but I can let y'all know that right now. I got the pump on the table, and I'm just going to give y'all the footage. Alright, so we got about... Okay, you guys, so we got about 8 foot of wire to the solar, from the solar panel to the actual pump. You have a good 8 foot. So if you want the solar panel somewhere further away, you can bury it, put it somewhere further away. The furthest you can go is 8 foot. So other than that, let's test it out. And there we go. All right, bring you a little bit closer. All right, so the sun went down a little bit, so we do not have full sun. So I'm assuming it may go higher than that when the sun hits a little bit harder on the solar panel. Now to take it off, you gotta twist it. And then spray it. So this stuff is pretty easy. All you do is just twist on. Well, it might be easier. Y'all can see the different patterns. Oh, well, it might be good to go ahead and take this protector off. All right, just took the protector off of the solar panel. So let's block it. So we block the solar panel, and that's what you get. Took my hand off, put my hand on. Hand on. Oh yeah, and also if you want to know about the panel, it do not have no screws or no sticky, nothing sticky in the back. So you will have to put this basically, well, if you want to put like maybe like double-sided tape maybe, or just try to come up with some type of rig if you want to hang it up somewhere. All right, so this ain't bad. 13 bucks. Can't really beat that. All right, take that off. All right, so basically you just choose whatever nozzle you want to use. Now I got this basin from Lowe's, so I'll put a link in the description if I could find it online. I'll put a link in the description. But what you can do is like put rocks. You could bury this and put like rocks around, or pebbles, river rocks. You could put it around your area, and you know, have yourself a little water feature. All right, so that's that. All right, so that's the extension. We have a little bullet right here. Let's see. Oh, that's kind of, that shoots high. Kind of going all over the place, but I don't know why it's just shooting that way. And it got clogged up. What happened? Oh, it's coming. I guess because I took it off. All right, there we go. So that's the bullet. And it shoots pretty high. Let's see if we could try to measure it real quick. Wherever I did with my measuring tool. So it looks like it shoots about almost 2 feet. That's 19 inches right there. All right, we got the bullet. Take that bullet off. Then we got a 5-head sprayer. All right. So that's pretty cool. All right, and that's it with the review. Oh, got myself that time. All right, so just showing y'all the review of that. That's about it. Like, comment, and please subscribe.